You may be knowing the development of animals includes several stages like gametogenesis, that is formation of gametes, fertilization, formation of fertilized egg, and then cleavage, gastrulation, neurulation, organogenesis, then the final form of animal. Now here you may be knowing cleavage, that is the fertilized egg, that is a single cell which will be multiplying into a multicellular form called blastula. Now the blastula is a ball-like, a hollow ball-like structure having a cavity inside, blastocele. Now after the end of this process, that is blastulation, the end of the cleavage process, this blastula will undergo gastrulation. Now during gastrulation what happens? On the surface of the blastula, you assume there are the cells which will move into different positions to form different layers called germ layers, ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm, which will form their derivatives in the future development, and even which are called ectodermal derivatives, mesodermal derivatives, endodermal derivatives, that way. Now the movement of the cells or the rearrangement of the cells, which are common at the position of blastula, but now they will be moving to the specific regions where they will become into the specific organs in the future animal. And such kind of movement of the cells from place to place, from the blastula to the different regions of the developing embryo, said to be morphogenetic movement. And this process is called a gastrulation. Now if you see the different events of gastrulation, they are not that uniform in all the groups of animals. Now if you say in a frog it may be different compared to that of the gastrulation in Amphioxus, and it would be different from the higher animals like aves, mammals, that way. So accordingly the gastrulation process is not that uniform in all the groups of animals during their embryogenesis. So in order to understand, having a complete understanding about the gastrulation among the animals of different groups, better seeing examples, different examples. So here I have to give gastrulation in Amphioxus, gastrulation in frog, gastrulation in birds, and the presentation part 2, gastrulation presentation part 3, gastrulation presentation part 4. And in addition to that, we will be explaining some of the important terminologies under the gastrulation: blastopore, primitive stick, flattening, invagulation, involution, ingression, delamination, epiboly, emboly, convergence, all those the titles that would explain the different events of gastrulation